Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a fascinating journey to one of Australia's hidden gems, the beautiful city of Adelaide. You might think you know all there is to know about this charming city, but hold on tight because we're about to reveal some unknown facts that will blow your mind. Let's start with a breathtaking view of Adelaide from above. Did you know that Adelaide is known as the City of Churches? It's not because it's particularly religious, but because it was originally founded as a free settlement for religious freedom, resulting in a plethora of stunning churches gracing its skyline. Adelaide's wine regions. Now, let's talk wine. South Australia, with Adelaide at its heart, is home to some of the world's finest wine regions, including the famous Barossa Valley. But did you know that Adelaide is the only city in the world that's completely surrounded by vineyards? It's a wine lover's paradise. Unique wildlife. Now, let's talk about wildlife. You've probably heard about Australia's unique fauna, but did you know that Adelaide is home to the world's smallest species of kangaroo, known as the Tamar wallaby? These adorable creatures can be found on Kangaroo Island, just a short ferry ride away. Cleland Wildlife Park. If you're looking to get up close and personal with Australian wildlife, look no further than Cleland Wildlife Park. It's a hidden gem where you can hand-feed kangaroos, cuddle koalas, and meet some of the country's most iconic animals. Adelaide's underground city. Did you know that beneath the bustling streets of Adelaide lies a hidden world? The city has a network of underground tunnels and chambers, once used as shops and homes during the 19th century. It's like stepping back in time. Foodie paradise? Adelaide is a foodie's dream come true. With its vibrant food scene, you can indulge in some of the freshest produce and mouth-watering dishes. And here's a fun fact. The famous pie floater, a meat pie floating in a sea of pea soup, was invented right here in Adelaide. Tasting the pie floater. Speaking of which, I couldn't resist trying the iconic pie floater for myself. Let's see what all the fuss is about. That's delicious. You have to try this when you visit Adelaide. Adelaide's festivals. Adelaide knows how to party. It hosts some of Australia's most iconic festivals, like the Adelaide Fringe Festival, which is the second largest fringe festival in the world, and the Adelaide Festival of Arts. Beaches. Last but not least, Adelaide is blessed with some stunning beaches along its coastline. Whether it's Glenelg, Semaphore, or Henley Beach, you're in for a treat. And here's a secret. Adelaide has more than 3,000 hours of sunshine each year. The mysterious Adelaide Oval Ghost. First up, let's talk about the Adelaide Oval Ghost. Adelaide Oval, a famous cricket ground, has its own resident ghost named Archie. Legend has it that he's a former groundskeeper who still tends to the pitch, even in the afterlife. Spooky, right? World's largest mock Mars habitat? Ever dreamed of going to Mars? Well, in Adelaide, you can get a taste of it. The Mars Society Australia operates the world's largest mock Mars habitat right here. It's a place where scientists simulate life on the red planet. Who would have thought? The hidden underground bunker? Beneath the beautiful heritage-listed Adelaide Arcade lies a secret, an underground bunker used during World War II. It served as an air raid shelter, and you can still explore parts of it today. A fascinating piece of history hiding beneath your feet. The second most livable city? Adelaide is often overshadowed by its big siblings like Sydney and Melbourne, but did you know that it's been consistently ranked as one of the world's most livable cities? In fact, it was ranked the second most livable city in the world in 2019. Clean air, beautiful parks, and a relaxed lifestyle, it's all here. The parklands. Adelaide is home to the parklands, a massive green belt that surrounds the city. Here's the twist. The parklands are owned by the people and have been preserved since the city's inception in 1836. That's a whopping 7.6 square miles of green space for everyone to enjoy. An underground marketplace. If you're into shopping, you'll love the Adelaide Central Market. But here's the secret. Beneath the bustling market is a network of underground tunnels that were once used for storing goods, and rumor has it, for less savory activities during the Prohibition era. The mysterious Somerton Man. One of Australia's most enduring mysteries is the Somerton Man. In 1948, an unidentified man was found dead on Somerton Beach, just outside Adelaide. To this day, His identity and the circumstances of his death remain unsolved, sparking countless conspiracy theories. The magic of the Windy City. Adelaide is often called the Windy City, but it's not just a nickname. In the 1930s, Sir Charles Kingsford Smith, an Australian aviation pioneer, noted that Adelaide was the windiest city he had ever encountered during his global travels. A celestial connection. Adelaide is home to the Sir Thomas Playford ETSA Museum, which houses a piece of the moon. Yes, you heard that right. It's a lunar rock sample brought back from the Apollo 15 mission in 1971. You can literally touch a piece of the moon right here. Giant rocking horse. Have you ever seen a giant rocking horse? Well, you can in Adelaide. The big rocking horse in Gumaracha, just a short drive from the city, stands at a whopping 18.3 meters, 60 feet, tall. It's not just for show. You can actually climb up and enjoy panoramic views from the top. The haunting of the Old Adelaide Jail. We mentioned the Old Adelaide Jail earlier, but here's the twist. It's not just rumored to be haunted. It's a hotspot for paranormal investigations. Many visitors claim to have encountered restless spirits within its ominous walls. Would you dare to spend a night here? The secret of Rundle Mall's pigs? Rundle Mall, Adelaide's premier shopping district, is home to some unique residents, bronze pigs. These whimsical sculptures are known as the Rundle Mall pigs, and they've become beloved icons. What's the secret? They're said to bring good luck if you rub their snouts. The subterranean catacombs. Adelaide has more hidden secrets below its surface than you might think. The catacombs of Adelaide are a network of tunnels beneath the city streets, originally used as cool storage for meat during the 19th century. Today, they're a unique and mysterious attraction. World's largest collection of Aboriginal art. Adelaide is home to Tandanya National Aboriginal Cultural Institute, which houses the world's largest collection of Aboriginal art. It's a treasure trove of Indigenous culture and creativity, showcasing a wide range of artworks, sculptures, and performances. The mysterious Blue Lake. Just a few hours from Adelaide, you'll find the enchanting Blue Lake in Mount Gambier. What's fascinating is that this lake mysteriously changes color. During the summer, it's a deep blue, but in winter, it transforms into a vibrant gray. Scientists are still unraveling its secrets. Haze chocolates, a sweet legacy. Ever had a haze chocolate? Well, these delicious treats are made right here in Adelaide. Haze Chocolates is Australia's oldest family-owned chocolate manufacturer, and they've been crafting sweet delights for over a century. Adelaide's Holy Trinity. Adelaide is known for its beautiful churches, but here's a fact that will surprise you. In the city centre, there's a trio of churches known as the Holy Trinity. St. Francis Xavier's Cathedral, Catholic, St. Peter's Cathedral, Anglican, and Holy Trinity Church, uniting. They form a stunning spiritual triangle. The wine-drenched river. Adelaide's wine culture is legendary. But here's an unusual fact. Back in 1938, during the centenary celebrations, the Torrens River was dyed with red wine, creating a wine river. It's an event etched in the city's history. The mysterious Stonehenge of South Australia. Did you know that there's a Stonehenge in South Australia? Well, sort of. The Stonehenge of South Australia is a mysterious collection of standing stones located in the Flinders Ranges. It's an enigmatic art installation created by artist Jerry McMahon, and its purpose remains a mystery. Ghosts of the Adelaide Arcade. We've talked about the underground tunnels beneath the Adelaide Arcade, but did you know that the arcade itself is said to be haunted? It's believed that the ghost of a caretaker named Francis Clooney, who died in the building in 1887, still roams the corridors. The solar system in Adelaide. Adelaide boasts a unique scale model of our solar system known as the Adelaide Solar System Trail. Stretching over 1,800 kilometers, 1,118 miles, from the city center to the Nullarbor Plain, it's one of the most extensive models of its kind and a fantastic educational resource. Adelaide's Underground Art Gallery. Beneath the streets of Adelaide, there's an underground art gallery like no other. The Urban Cow Studio features ever-changing street art, murals, and graffiti created by local and international artists. It's a hidden treasure for art enthusiasts. The oldest life-saving club. Did you know that Adelaide is home to the world's oldest life-saving club? The Henley Beach Surf Life Saving Club was founded in 1909 and has been patrolling the shores for over a century, ensuring the safety of beachgoers. South Australia's Little Scotland. In the picturesque town of Hondorf, just outside Adelaide, you'll find a unique piece of South Australian history. Established by German settlers, Hondorf retains its charming German heritage. But did you know that it was originally intended to be a Scottish settlement? A change in plans led to its distinctive character. The Whispering Wall. About an hour's drive from Adelaide, there's a dam with an unusual feature known as the Whispering Wall. The curved structure allows whispers from one end of the dam to be heard clearly at the other, nearly 140 meters, 460 feet, away. It's a curious acoustic phenomenon. The oldest mosque in Australia? The Adelaide Mosque, built in 1888, is the oldest mosque in Australia. It's a beautiful testament to the city's diverse cultural history and the contributions of its Muslim community. There you have it, folks. Even more incredible, lesser-known facts about Adelaide that make this city a treasure trove of surprises. If you've got your own Adelaide stories or know of any hidden gems, share them in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep up with our amazing adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye for now.